Today we'll discuss about the membrane biology. Under membrane biology, it is very important to know about the cell membrane. What is cell membrane? The cell membrane, it is also known as the plasma membrane or the cytoplasmic membrane. Previously, it was referred as the plasma lemma. Cell membrane is a biological membrane that separates the interior of the cells from the outside environment, thus protecting the cell from its environment. Coming to the structure. The structure of the cell membrane is composed majorly of two components, lipids and proteins. Lipids make up almost 50% or more of most of the membranes. It makes the membrane flexible. The framework of cell membrane is made up of phospholipid bilayer. The layers of phospholipids self-assemble such that the hydrophilic heads form the exterior and the hydrophobic non-polar tails face each other, that is the interior of the membrane. Proteins. Proteins help to transfer the molecules across the membrane. There are two major types of proteins. First, the fibrous proteins. It spans throughout the cell membrane and helps to give the cell support and shape. Globular proteins and the peripheral proteins. These are located in the surface of the membrane. It helps the cells to communicate and transport the molecules. Some of the globular and peripheral proteins are glycoprotein, O-protein and integral proteins. The fibrous proteins span the entire membrane and serve as receptors for the cell. It helps the cell to communicate to the external environment. The globular protein form pores and allows the lipid-insoluble molecules to pass through them. Only the integral proteins serve as channels for the transport of ions and larger molecules. Along with the lipid and proteins, cholesterol molecules are also embedded and dispersed in the cell membrane. The cholesterol molecules helps to strengthen the membrane wall and also helps in maintaining the impermeability. Along with the phospholipids, it helps in maintaining the impermeability of membrane to water-soluble substances.